Today I'm showcasing the Kershaw Cryo knife, and this is a great little knife. I love it. It's not little, it's 2.34 inches long, so 2.75 inches. Uh, it has Speedsafe assisted opening, and it has a frame lock. You can see that I have to push that over to close it. And once again, I'll show you the assisted opening. You can also use the stud up there as well to open it. And this is a great little knife. It uses 8CR 13 MOV steel. As you can see, the clip is up a little higher, so when you put it in your pants or in your pocket, excuse me, the knife is all the way down. That's nice, and not sticking up bothering you. You can stick a lanyard in there. Anyways, it's a great little knife. Thanks for looking.